Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and days of old lang syne? For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne, we'll talk a cup of kindness yet for days of old lang syne.
Well, hi friends, it is Monday, it is after work, and I am getting off the interstate, off at my exit. I am just minutes away from being home, and I am so happy because your girl is extremely tired. So this vlog is going to be super short because I'm literally going to go home, get in my pajamas, sit down with Maggie, and I'm going to upload this vlog as is because I'm just tired. If you remember, yesterday's Advent said to unplug, and that's what I'm doing today. I'm giving myself permission to unplug because it's been a long few days, and I just want to relax a little bit. And it also said today's was to basically take myself out on a date, so I'm going to do that tomorrow. I'm going to grab me some Starbucks. I'm going to go junking. I'm going to go thrifting and enjoy some me time out after work tomorrow. So tomorrow's vlog will be a little bit better, but I'm going to give myself permission today to just call it a day. I'm going to upload this after I get home and settled, so I'm closing out the vlog right now. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Much love. See you then. Bye.